Hello guys and welcome to Best Memes I Found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
Our policy works. We have a ton of students that were on probation. In Centeridge and Newfield, we were over 100 student hours.
Listen, you'll have to excuse me. I have a lunch meeting with Cliff Huxtable at Four Seasons in 20 minutes.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there.
Look at the sun. Where's the music? Wait, bro. Look at... Oh my god. What the fuck? What was that? What the fuck? Oh no. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo! Hell. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Nothing about the bikini bottle slushy.
Your sun visor can do this. Now, extend it out.
You're gonna finish your extra creamy whipped cream and you're gonna fucking like it!
Ooh! He's going to the wrong door. It's gonna be like a Scooby-Doo episode. Dude, I swear to God, if Larry comes from the bathroom and looks around the same way.
No way, right? No way, right?
I'm gonna live city better.
Robot, where can I find a therapist?
Alcohol is an aisle 10.
Okay, let's rock.
With the cruelty of this world, my soldiers push forward, my soldiers scream out, my soldiers rage!
Forrest, I got our lunches.
Captain, food goes here.
More peace!
No. Oh, I'm gonna pour it on my computer. Oh.
Like my grandpappy always said, those assholes gotta stick together.
Nigga, we be busting up the out. You clearly don't know who you're talking to, so let me clue you in. I am not in danger, Skylar. I am the danger.
So cute. Smells so good. Nani? Nani? Ay, qué bonito.
Guess you wonder where I've been.
Explorer.
What's lost? What's lost?
But the women and the children too. They're like animals.
I just love the smell of fear. I guess I should stop looking out for you.
A dollar might turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one not to get this dough.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.